Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Andy here from Project GoPro. I hope you're spending a beautiful summer. I'm in the amazing Lisbon. I'm spending some time here with my vintage van, as you can see, and it's amazing. So I've been using the GoPro quite a lot this summer, and today, in this short video, I don't want to take a lot of time from you. I just want to give you a lot of value in this short video, giving you 3 tips that will help you improve uh, your summer videos just with these 3 tips. So let's get started. Here we are in the camping. So let's get right to I'm sharing with you my screen of the computer because here I have the GoPro cheat sheet. In fact, the first tip that I want to give you is choose the right GoPro settings. This is the first thing you should do every time you go for, to shoot something, because the GoPro has many different settings and every different setting is appropriate for some certain situation. And I've put together all of these different situations in this cheat sheet that you can download for free from projectgo.pro on the homepage of my site, where I help people make better videos with the GoPro and action cameras in general. So download the cheat sheet if you haven't done so yet, and in here you'll find different settings. So as you can see, they're from the generic settings like resolution, lens, um, duration, frame rate, hyper smooth, to time lapse. Then we have a photo section, to the advanced settings of ProTune. You'll find all of the explanations of what all of these settings mean, basically. Then if you scroll down, basically on the third page, you'll find settings by activity. So every activity may be faster or slower depending on of course, of what you're shooting, right? If you are, for example, doing snow sports like snowboarding or skiing, that's a fast action. So as a fast action, you'd like to record it probably in slow motion, because later in post-production you want to slow everything down to give like a more cinematic taste to the audience, because everything, when you slow everything down in a video, you can see every single detail of that fast action, and that like express emotions of the subject, of the situation in general. With this, we are going to go to the second tip of today, which is express emotion, show emotions in your videos. This point number 2, I'd like to support this point with the book, the GoPro Handbook, a professional guide to filmmaking. This is the best-selling book of basically GoPro. It's been downloaded and read by so many users now, and I just want to get to the section where it says to show emotions, because it's quite interesting, I find. And let's see if we find it. Capture emotions. So here I wrote, what do popular videos have in common? They make the viewer feel strong emotions, sadness, joy, anger, it doesn't matter. People want to share content that has an impact on them. When you find a video that makes you happy, you want to share it with people and make them happy. When you find these videos too, because you think, I should show this to Steve, he would love it, right? So every time you show emotions, your videos will gain more power. They will be more powerful. That's why you should always show emotions in that way. You make your audience more engaged, and the situation becomes basically more interesting, right? So yeah, try to capture emotions if you want to make your videos more engaging. Now, the third tip is going to be tell a story. Even if it's short, it doesn't matter. Basically, every engaging video has a little story inside, right? From start to finish. And even here in the book, I mentioned there is a whole section that explains you how to structure a story. Even if it's short, even if it's like 1 minute story, with your GoPro, with your phone, with your Insta360, with your drone, but you need to tell a story, a short story. So let's go to the section. So here we come to the section number 2 of this book, that is storytelling. In this storytelling section, you can see that any video should have a story, even if it's short. So the story usually, starts with an introduction to show the place, to show where, the situation, what's the situation like, and then it slowly should get to the climax, like the most interesting part of the video, in the middle part of the video, more or less, to then, end with the conclusion, like we see here in this graph. It shouldn't be complex. You shouldn't complicate things just to tell a story. Story can be like, I'm going to the beach with my friends, I'm getting prepared, I'm waiting for my friends to come pick me up. This is the introduction. And then the middle part of the story can be just like, being at the beach with your friends, enjoying the beach, maybe going for a swim. Maybe something happens during the swim, that makes everything a little bit more interesting. And to then conclude it with, the day was very nice, so now we have to go home, unfortunately. And yeah, that's a very simple story. You see, you can create this whole situation in just like 2 short minutes video with your GoPro. And here in the book, I show you different also examples that if you want to create a more complex video, you can always use a storyboard. There are different apps that you can use to make storyboards. And then in the book, I also give you different examples of 3 different videos. So a travel video, a sport video here, and also a video, like a more generic video shot in the nature, like a hike, for example. You can see there is exposition, raise in action, climax, fall in action, and conclusion. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you are spending a beautiful summer. And before we go, I gotta tell you something very important. Next week, we are going to announce the opening date of our premium GoPro training program. And it's gonna be awesome because all of the subscribers of Project GoPro, if you are subscribed to Project GoPro, you're going to receive an email from us with a huge discount for joining the GoPro Filmmakers Kit, which is a nice bundle which includes all of the training, all of the GoPro training, includes this book, basically, a video course on how to edit your GoPro videos with Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere Pro. And then there will be really nice bonuses as well, like GoPro LUTs, filters that you can apply on your videos with just a click and transform the colors of your videos, like, just with a click, and they will become more cinematic, amazing, basically. You will learn a lot of stuff from this program, but you need to be subscribed in order to receive the notification when we open registration for this program. And all of the subscribers will also get a special discount for joining the program. So if you haven't subscribed to Project GoPro, just do so from the link below. You just need to download the free GoPro cheat sheet that I showed you before at the beginning of this video. And with that, I'll see you soon next week. Peace.